Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Welcome to episode 3 of our video series outlining the key areas of lawn maintenance. In this episode we talk about lawn nutrition and ensuring your lawn has the key nutrients it needs for optimum health. In episode 2 we covered weed removal and prevention, so now that you're on top of the weeds, it's time to feed your lawn.
There is a common misconception that the fertiliser itself is food for the plant. Even us in the industry refer to it as feeding your lawn or to fertiliser as lawn food, when in actual fact, grasses make their own food through the process of photosynthesis. The issue for our lawns is there is usually a lack of the required nutrients it needs in the soil. This is due to the fact that our grasses are not originally from the exact same soil conditions we experience in our yards. As a result, we need to supplement the existing nutrient levels so we can achieve a balance of all the nutrients your lawn needs to stay in top shape. The 3 numbers on the side of your fertiliser represent the value of the 3 macronutrients required for your lawn. These 3 macronutrients are N, P and K. Nitrogen is largely responsible for the growth of leaves on the plant and is the most talked about nutrient when it comes to lawns and is usually the highest percentage of your NPK ratio. Lawns love nitrogen, but it is important to strike a balance between strong leaf growth and strong root growth capable to support it as well. This is where phosphorus comes in. Phosphorus is largely responsible for root growth, but is actually quite a small percentage of the overall NPK ratio. Phosphorus moves slowly through the soil and isn't used in great amounts by your lawn, so a little is needed, but not a lot. Potassium is the nutrient that helps the overall functions of the plant to perform correctly. Potassium is an essential macronutrient that is used in the largest quantities by plants looking for vigour and growth. Potassium helps grass to withstand drought and disease, while also helping the plant to more efficiently use nitrogen. Many people have heard of these macronutrients, but have you ever thought about micronutrients? Micronutrients are chemical elements that are required in minute or trace amounts for the normal growth and development of your lawn. Some of these include boron, copper, iron, chloride and zinc. If your soil has the correct pH, generally these micronutrients will be found to be in optimum range and no soil adjustment will be required. When your lawn is looking a little worse for wear, is lacking colour or looks like it could do with a feed, lawn fertiliser will provide your lawn with the nutrients it needs to help feed the grass roots and to promote growth. Slow release fertilisers are almost always better value for money, so if you are looking for a slow release feed for your lawn for the entire season, then granular fertilisers are the way to go. Lawn Solutions Fertiliser is a slow release granular fertiliser which was developed for use on Sir Walter DNA certified soft leaf buffalo lawns, but it will work equally well on other lawn varieties such as couch, buffalo, kikuyu, zoysia, tall fescue, bluegrass and ryegrass, delivering all the nutrients your grass needs to recover and grow. All you need to do is use the right amount for the size of your lawn, making sure you water it in well after you apply. If you don't water it enough, the granules can cause the leaf of your lawn to burn, so make sure you give it enough water. By understanding how these nutrients affect the overall health of your lawn, you'll be better able to identify deficiencies in your lawn and telltale signs of stress, which will help you know when it's a good time to fertilise and apply soil amendments. Next up in our lawn maintenance series is lawn hydration. Check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website for more helpful lawn care tips and advice, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and we hope to catch you next time.